Welcome to Go Jesse Go. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego gun. Got ya. Let's try that again. It might not have got to me. A Lego Nerf gun. Got it that time. I got ya. I got you. I think I got you 2 or 3 times. I think I got you 2 or 3 times. Okay, now let's get on to the building tutorial of this Lego Nerf gun. First, let's make the gun. That's simple. Just take these 2 parts and just connect them like this. Get it all the way through, and then it just gets stopped like that. And now let's stick this in. That's the gun. Now let's make the missile. First, just take a blue 1x1 round plate, and then put 2 blue 1x1 round cylinders on top, and then put 2 orange 1x1 plates onto it, so you have your missile. Then put your missile onto your gun like this, and then you're finished. Just do this. Got you that time. Thanks for coming to Go Jesse Go. Hope you like this. Bye. 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 Bye.